big day today, all the time to myself, so we're gonna go out and take photos. Okay, now that we got here to the Johannesburg CBD, want to achieve 3 things, right? Of which the first one I've already done. I came here to pick up some merchandise for Fire Media, and yeah, so there we go. Check it out on Instagram. And then secondly, wanted to find a spot where we can actually take pictures of this car for the Instagram page. And then after that, just try and fly the drone of the car moving, and then grab some street photography. I am very much into people's pictures when they post street photography pictures and stuff, and it's something that's very intriguing to me, so I'll give it a shot and then we see what comes out. So I just found this road, not so busy. Got in a couple of photos here. Just liked the whole vibe with the trees and the what we call bunk stools, right? That is basically where people sit while waiting for the bus. So got that. Yeah, and then now we're gonna go through and check out another spot, and let's get right on. Okay, so I found this other spot here also. There's nothing much really happening here, just like the whole vibe of the graffiti walls and everything. And why I like that is because I feel that the white of the car will kind of pop out from the whole art around it. So anyway, let's take some pictures and see what comes out.